Then 4 or 5 days from now is is the Rasa dance, is the full moon night of the Rasa dance and the Sharad season. The Srimad Bhagavatam is describing in the 10th canto, chapter 29. On this Purnima night, in this very month, with this kind of warm days and cool nights, so just imagine what it would be like. You even see the moon now, it's almost full. Krishna sees the rising full moon. And 4 days from now, if you're lucky, you're standing on a roof or somewhere, you can see the moon rising at around 7:30 or so. It'll be rising on that Purnima. It'll be orangey red. And the Bhagavatam opens up in chapter 29. When Krishna saw the reddish, the full moon rising in the sky with his reddish hue, he immediately remembered the kunkum ornamented golden moon-like face of Chandramukhi Shri Radha. Because sometimes ladies, they put a little, they call it rouge or something? Rouge or some little pink powder or kumkum. And even without it, if they're excited, their golden skin looks a little red. So Krishna saw the face of the moon and he thought of the face of his beloved Radharani. That's nice. That's called romance. That's called udipan. He was excited because one who's in love, he sees his beloved everywhere. Inner love, his foundational love, his relationship of love is excited by colors, by sounds, by people, so many things. So Krishna got excited. He saw the full moon, which is very romantic.